G'day, John here from Sunshine Solar. This is just a blog for those people who have an NZ Homeloans mortgage or are thinking about an NZ Homeloans mortgage and why you should, and why you should add solar water heating to that. I'll take you to the NZ Homeloans page and we'll have a look at why NZ Homeloans and solar is a great combination. This page here is the Sustainable Energy Loan page. It's on the NZ Homeloans website, so if you jump on the website, type in Sustainable Energy Loan into the search bar, this one will come up. The Sustainable Energy Loan, basically you can pay off your solar out of your savings, so that's a really cool thing. It's not going to cost you anything to go solar because you pay it off out of your savings. How it works, NZ Homeloans will actually contribute $2,000 towards a solar water heating system over 5 years, and that's a top up to your existing mortgage. A whole lot of information here which you can go over in your own time, but basically solar water heating, it says it starts around $7,000, but actually with Sunshine Solar it's a little bit cheaper than that. So I'll take you through the cash flow analysis of actually adding solar water heating to your NZ Home Loan and why you should do it, and why you should do it with NZ Home Loans. Just a spreadsheet, so hopefully you're familiar with spreadsheets. We've got a few columns in here, so let me go over with you. With Sunshine Solar, adding solar hot water is $6,200 is our standard price for a family-sized water heating system. So that comes as a negative value because that's what you owe to NZ Homeloans if you buy the solar water heating system through us. Interest, there is an interest rate. I've just put 5.8% on there. It's actually a little bit lower than that at the moment, but let's just take that just because it's a high number. Repayments, if you repay that off at $1,200 a year, you get down to a zero balance after 4 years. And your contribution from NZ Homeloans, after the first year, they'll pay you $800 into that account, and for the next 3 years they pay $400. So that's the $2,000 that they'll pay you over 5 years to help pay off your solar system. Your power saving, so this is what you'll save in power with your solar water heating system. How that's calculated out is this column here. If you have a $250 a month power bill, then 45% of that for a new home will be hot water. And we'll save you 75% of that. So 250 times 45%, your hot water portion, times 75% your saving is $84 a month. Times that by 12 and you get a power saving of just over $1,000. Now your power saving will increase every year because the power price is going up. We know it's going to continue going up. We think it's going to be at least 5%, so that goes up 5% per year as your savings. And then the final column here is your cash flow. So your cash flow is what you pay in interest and what you pay in repayments, so those two added together, and then subtracting what you get back in, which is the contribution from NZ Homeloans and your power savings. So in the first year you save $180 through your power savings and from the contribution from NZ Homeloans. The next year it's not quite as good because that drops from $800 down to $400, so you're backwards $70, but your cumulative cash flow is still positive. So this cumulative cash flow is what your bank balance is with your savings and what you're paying, and so you're cash flow positive from day one. So we start off, you're better off after the first year by having solar on your roof by $180, and you've also got a $6,200 capital item on your roof which you haven't really had to pay for. Now the interest drops every year because you're paying less interest on less capital, so that drops every year as well. So these savings get better and better. This last year here you can see that there's no contribution from NZ Homeloans, so again it's slightly negative. But after the 5 years of paying it off, you're actually better off by $342. The fund starts after that because you've paid it off, so there's no more capital owed, there's no more repayments, and the cumulative goes up. So we have a warranty on our products of 10 years, and after 10 years you are $9,000 better off than if you didn't put solar on your roof. That's through your savings and the repayments from NZ Homeloans. So you've got a $6,000 asset on your roof, plus you've got $9,000, so you're $15,000 better off if you put solar on your roof through the NZ Home Loan scheme. The cool thing is once you get to the 30-year mark, and we just extrapolate that out, that's $30,000 plus the $6,000 system on your roof. I've got a tax saving one in here, so if you're doing it for a business you can actually claim the depreciation and tax saving here, so we haven't filled that out. But as you can see, adding solar water heating through the Sustainable Energy Loan through NZ Homeloans is a really good way to go. Cash flow positive from day one, so it's costing you nothing to go solar, and you get a $6,000 system on your roof. So it's a really good way to go. So if you've got any more questions, you contact me at john@sunshinesolar.com. .co.nz, or see your local NZ Homeloans rep that sent this through. So that'll be great, and hopefully we'll catch you soon. Thanks. Bye.